Book any service in just 1 minute on JXR app. Select your role as a customer and then click on Go. Now you can see all the services on the home screen. Select the service you require. Now you will see the subcategories here. Select the subcategory and then select the issue. You can also schedule the appointment as per your choice and then set the location. Now click on Next button. Here you can see the list of professionals. Select the professional as per your choice and select the time slot. Here you can see the scope of work and work location details and then click on Continue button to confirm booking. Now select the payment option to do the payment of just ₹99 and simply swipe to pay. Your order has been placed successfully. This is how you can book a professional on JXR app.